If you're over 50, you've probably felt at that moment when your body doesn't quite move like it used to. Bending down to pick something up feels heavier. Getting up from a chair takes an extra second. Maybe you've noticed that your balance isn't what it was, or that lifting weights the way you used to just doesn't feel good anymore. But here's the truth. Strength isn't gone. It's waiting to be rebuilt gently, from the inside out. Today, we're exploring 5 simple isometric movements that can rebuild strength without pain. No jumping, no heavy lifting. Just slow, powerful holds that awaken the deep muscles, keeping you upright, steady, and strong. Let's begin. Imagine this. You're standing in a quiet room. The sunlight touches your shoulders. You take a deep breath, and for the first time in a while, you feel connected to your body, not fighting it. That's what isometric movement is about. It's strength through stillness. Now, before we move, let's understand why this works and why it's perfect for anyone over 50. You see, as we age, our muscles don't just get weaker because we stop using them. They lose tension because of reduced neural activation, the connection between the brain and the muscle. But isometric training reawakens that signal. When you hold a muscle under tension, even without moving, your brain relearns how to turn it on. A study from Harvard Medical School found that older adults who practiced isometric routines for just 10 minutes a day improved leg and core strength by up to 25% in 8 weeks, all without strain or injury. The secret? Constant tension without motion. It's safer on joints, ligaments, and tendons, areas that often ache with age. So, if you've ever thought, I can't do intense workouts anymore, here's your answer. You don't have to. These movements meet your body where it is. They work with your energy, not against it. You'll feel steady, supported, reconnected to muscles that have been quiet for too long. And over time, those quiet muscles become your silent strength, the kind that keeps you balanced when you step off a curb or lift your grandchild into your arms. Let's explore how this gentle power works, and then we'll move together. Take a breath. Feel your feet on the ground. Let's dive into the science behind your new strength. When you hold your body still and press against resistance, whether it's a wall, the floor, or simply your own muscles, something powerful happens inside you. Tiny fibers throughout your muscles activate all at once, creating tension that strengthens without tearing. According to research from Mayo Clinic, isometric exercise can increase muscular endurance and even help regulate blood pressure because it teaches your body how to contract efficiently without strain. It's a quiet kind of effort, one that builds power from stability. You see, most workouts focus on movement, the up and down, the repetition, the count, but isometric training focuses on connection. It strengthens not just the muscle, but the message between your mind and body. Each hold becomes a conversation, a reminder that stillness can be strength, and that strength can be gentle. If you're over 50, this matters. Because your body deserves movements that heal instead of punish. Isometrics give your joints a break. No impact, no jerking motions. Just steady activation that protects cartilage and keeps inflammation low. Kyoto University conducted a fascinating study on older adults using isometric balance training. Participants improved their coordination, lowered their risk of falls, and reported feeling lighter in daily movement. Why? Because isometric work trains the stabilizer muscles, the deep core, hips, and back to quietly support you every time you walk, turn, or stand. Let's look at what this means in real life. Imagine holding a gentle squat for just 20 seconds. Your thighs begin to tremble, your heart beats a little faster, but your knees don't hurt. You're teaching your body endurance. You're reminding it, I'm still strong. Or picture pressing your palms together in front of your chest. You feel your arms, chest, and shoulders engage. You breathe through it, calm and steady. That's strength training too, just without the pain or pressure. Now that we understand why these movements work, let's talk about what you gain from them beyond just muscle. Because when you practice isometrics regularly, your body begins to change in ways that go far beyond appearance. You feel steadier when you walk. You stand taller. You move with quiet confidence. Let's explore the 5 key benefits of isometric strength and how they build not just your body, but your sense of peace. First, isometric movements restore joint stability. When you hold a position, say, a wall, sit, or a plank, you're strengthening the muscles that surround and protect your joints. These are your body's natural shock absorbers. As they grow stronger, you reduce the stress on knees, hips, and shoulders. That means less pain and greater freedom in everyday movement. Second, they reignite muscle tone and posture. Many people over 50 spend more time sitting at a desk, in the car, or on the couch. Over time, that quiets the postural muscles that keep us upright. Isometric holds gently reawaken them. Even a short daily practice retrains your spine to align naturally, pulling your shoulders back and opening your chest. The result: you not only stand taller, you feel taller. Third, isometrics improve circulation and control. During a hold, blood flows through your muscles like a quiet current. This consistent, even pressure supports vascular health and helps regulate blood pressure. It's one of the reasons doctors at Harvard Health have called isometric exercise a safe strength builder for older adults. Fourth, they boost balance and confidence. Holding positions that challenge your equilibrium, like standing on one leg or pressing your foot into the floor, activates your inner stabilizers. These muscles quietly guard you against slips and falls, the leading cause of injury in people over 60. With just a few minutes a day, you begin to feel sure-footed again, not because you've forced strength, but because you've grown into it. And finally, fifth, isometric exercise rebuilds trust in your body. That may be the most important benefit of all. When you realize that you can hold, breathe, and stay steady without pain, something shifts inside. The fear of movement fades. You begin to feel capable again, at home in your own body. Every time you hold still in strength, your body whispers, "I remember this." So, let's put these ideas into motion. In a moment, we'll walk through 5 simple isometric movements designed specifically for those over 50. No equipment, no pressure, just your body, your breath, and a few quiet minutes of intention. As we move, listen to your body. It's not about how long you hold, it's about how deeply you connect. Let's begin our guided practice together. Find a quiet space where you can stand or sit comfortably. Take a deep breath in and slowly let it go. Feel your feet on the floor. Feel the ground supporting you. Movement 1. The wall sit. Stand with your back against a wall, feet about 2 feet forward. Slide down until your knees are bent as if sitting on an invisible chair. Don't go too low, just enough to feel your thighs engage. Keep your back flat, your chest open. Breathe deeply. Hold for 15 seconds, 2, maybe tredive, if you can. Feel the burn, that's your strength returning. When you're ready, slowly press back up and rest. This movement builds powerful legs and a stable base. It protects the knees while training endurance. If you do just one isometric hold each day, this one alone will transform your lower body. Movement 2. Palm press. Bring your palms together in front of your chest, fingers pointing upward, as if in prayer. Press your palms firmly against each other. Feel your chest, shoulders, and arms activate. Keep pressing, breathing slowly, 10 seconds, 15, 20. Release, shake out your hands. You've just worked nearly every muscle in your upper body, all without lifting a thing. Movement 3. Standing core hold. Place your hands on your lower abdomen. Gently tighten your stomach as if bracing for a soft tap, but don't hold your breath. Feel that inner wall of strength beneath your fingertips. Hold the tension, steady and calm. This simple act strengthens your deep core, the one that keeps your spine safe and your balance strong. Movement 4. Chair bridge hold. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat, close enough that your fingertips can touch your heels. Press your feet into the floor and lift your hips just a few inches, forming a straight line from shoulders to knees. Hold. Feel the power in your glutes and lower back. Breathe through it. Hold as long as feels comfortable, even 10 seconds makes a difference. Then lower gently. Movement 5. Wall push. Stand an arm's length from a wall, palms flat against it. Bend your elbows slightly, as if doing a push-up, and press hard into the wall. Keep your body straight. Feel your chest and shoulders engage. This is stability training for your upper body and balance for your frame. As you finish, pause. Notice your heartbeat, the warmth in your muscles. That's strength, quiet, alive, rebuilding itself with every hold. These movements are small, but their effect is deep. Practice them 3 or 4 times a week, even for just 10 minutes. Over time, you'll find your posture firmer, your steps lighter, your confidence returning. Let's take a moment to reflect on what that means. You've just awakened muscles that may have been quiet for years. That trembling you felt, it's not weakness. It's your body remembering how to be strong again. Strength after 50 isn't about pushing harder. It's about listening closer. Each hold teaches patience, resilience, and trust. When you breathe through the challenge instead of fighting it, you begin to sense something deeper, your quiet power. Isometric training isn't just about muscles, it's about awareness. Every time you pause in stillness, you learn to feel more, not less. You begin to notice how your shoulders settle when you exhale, how your spine aligns when you're centered, how peace follows presence. There's a calm strength in that. Remember, you're not just maintaining fitness, you're cultivating longevity. A steady core protects your spine. Strong legs prevent falls. Engaged shoulders keep your posture upright and your lungs open. These are small victories, but they add up to freedom. The freedom to move with ease, to walk without fear, to live without hesitation. Think of this as a daily conversation with your body. One where you say, I'm still here. I still care. Because every time you take that moment to connect, to breathe, to hold, to release, you're rewriting your story of aging. You're proving that growth doesn't stop with the years. It deepens. And when you finish each session, take one extra breath of gratitude, not for perfection, but for progress. For the way you showed up for yourself today. You see, your body isn't giving up. It's adapting. It's ready for this gentler, wiser strength that builds from stillness and breath. So let's carry that with us, the understanding that slowing down isn't stopping. It's focusing. It's where the real work begins. And now, as we come to the end of our session, let's close with a thought to keep with you as you move through your day. If you're watching this, take a moment to notice how you feel right now. Maybe your legs are warm, your breath a little slower, your mind a bit quieter. That's your body's way of saying, thank you. In a world that moves fast, choosing stillness is an act of strength. Choosing gentleness is an act of courage. You've just trained your muscles, your mind, and your patience, all in one quiet practice. As researchers at Harvard remind us, the best exercise for longevity is the one you can keep doing. Isometric holds fit that perfectly. They're accessible, sustainable, and they meet you where you are, every single day. You don't need heavy weights. You don't need a gym. You just need a few square feet of space and a little time to listen inward. Because strength over 50 isn't about lifting more, it's about lasting more. It's about protecting what matters: your mobility, your balance, your independence, and the quiet confidence that comes with knowing your body still responds, still grows, still thrives. So tomorrow, or even later today, try one of these holds again. Maybe a wall sit while the kettle boils, a palm press while you're watching TV, a core brace while you're waiting at a stoplight. These moments add up. They weave strength into the rhythm of your life. And remember, you're not slowing down. You're growing steadier. We'd love to hear from you. Comment below and tell us where you're from and how long you held your favorite movement today. Let's build this journey together, one calm, powerful breath at a time. Thank you for moving with us. You're not just rebuilding muscle. You're reclaiming your balance, your posture, your peace. Stay kind to your body. Stay curious. Stay strong in stillness. Because at any age, especially this one, your best strength is yet to come.